So we're in Clovis, California, and we're just going to try and clean out this little drain. It is the master bath on the left-hand side. So here's the toilet over here, and then here's the sink. We've gone ahead and cleaned out that one right there. Took apart the whole assembly, and it's got a cable as opposed to a piece of plumber's tape and a rod that goes up and down. So that one's cleaned out. And this one here, we go to open it up, and the cable's just hanging down there. You can see the bottom of it right there, and the black cable goes up. And then up in here, there's a piece missing. And we had just gone over this with the homeowner on the other side. We were almost wrapped up, and then we saw that little piece just kind of hanging there. And so let's see if I can get you a picture of what's going on in here. I can't see it, but let's take a look. So right there, hopefully it's not focusing, is it? Nope, it certainly isn't. But so there's one piece missing. It's a little washer that goes in there. And let me get a light up there. Maybe that'll help. Anyways, so there it is. So the piece that goes on top of that is gone, and there's also a little hook that goes in there. So we'll look for the hook. I don't see it right now. We'll pull that little piece out and see if we can find it. If not sure if we can do anything with this. It's kind of an integrated drain supply as to a standard drain supply, but we'll open it up real quick and take a look.